Like if this video interests you. Comment if you have anything sharing for this video. Be notified of our next video. Support our channel by subscribing.
Hey there, app and game developers. Welcome to our channel again, all visuals. Are you new to App Store Optimization, ASO? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll take you by the hand and show you how to get started with ASO, step by step.
Introducing you to ASO.
Hey there, app and game developers. So, you want to know about ASO? Well, in this video we are going to be starting with the basics. ASO stands for App Store Optimization, and it's simply the process of optimizing or improving your apps or games' visibility in the app stores.
Your apps and games on an app store. Improve your apps and games visibility on the App Store with ASO.
So just like how search engine optimization, SEO, helps websites rank higher in search engines, ASO helps your app and game rank higher in the app stores. And that's important because, truthfully speaking, there are millions of apps out there, and you surely want yours to stand out from the crowd of apps out there.
We have millions of apps in our app stores. And more are still released day by day. That is why ASO is needed, so yours can stand out from all the other crowd of apps and can be visible to your intended users, so as to get your app the success it needs.
ASO is all about understanding how the app stores work, and how to optimize your apps or games listing to reach more users, so this is the end of this video. We have now come to have the understanding of what ASO is. So in the next we will consider keywords research in ASO. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the bell notification if you haven't, so you will be notified of when we drop the next video as we continue to discuss about ASO.
A sponsored segment for you.
Hello everyone, so sure you're watching. So in this last part of the video, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you everything I have to know about this our package, because I'm one of them package. What is this package? So I'm sure some of you want to get a glimpse of this package, so I'm going to show you right here on my mobile phone. Yeah, in case you don't have laptop, which I'm sure most of our users that are going to get this package are using mobile phone. So this package is just simply a zip folder. Just simply a zip file that you're going to get after buying. You're just going to get the zip file that you're going to send to you in any method that valuable that I'm going to use. So you're just going to get a zip file. So I recommend you having Z Archiver app. The same to the app Z Archiver. It enables you to read zip file. You can read zip file. You can do whatever you want to do with zip file. You can even extract the Z Archiver. So please make sure you have the zip file before getting this zip file. So this is the zip file which you're going to get, complete Python package by pickup.zip. That is the zip file you're going to get. So you just click it to zip archiver to show you all these options. You just click the view. You are not need to extract. I can read it whenever I want to Z archiver. I will just click view, and this is it. So this is the complete Python package by pickup. Complete. The folder is inside the zip file. Why you use zip file? So that it will be easier for you guys to send. Yeah, because the things in the folder are bulk. So zip file will help you like compress a lot much better. So that's why it's in the zip file. So that you can easily get it. You can easily download it without losing too much of your data. So this is the folder. So you click the folder and all these are everything in the folder. What is being contained in this folder, which is in the zip file. So we have our introduction. And now each of this what you are seeing here now, as I just click, now all these things now are tutorials. This number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then this 17. All these are the tutorials we're talking about you should need to see concerning Python. Now just click one, which is also in a folder. You click it, you click the folder, and you go back to what is called. So this one now has like introduce you to what Python is. It has an introduction. You have the basic of Python language and so Python 2.7 then the third one. And each of these has a subtitle already made. So you can watch it in VLC. Just click it here. Open. Yeah, so I'll just go to VLC. Just click just once. Just want to show you guys how it's been done. Then I think
Hello viewers, welcome to the first among a series of visual tutorials to get you started with programming Python language. This will be a short session to help you with the basics like the features of the Python language and how to get Python to work on your machine. With that covered, let's get into your first lesson on Python. The session covers the following topics: introduction to Python, the features, and setting up Python on your machine. Hello viewers, welcome to the first among a series of visual.
So this is just what you're going to get in this our file. So it has the tutorials which we're talking to you about, our video guide, or call it the video guides. It has the video guides here with it. 1, 2. Each of these ones has 4 videos that talks more about Python. Now we also have home assignment. This is just our assignment we just set for tutorials. Now apart from the video guides which is tutorials, we also have the Python PDF which we told you guys about already, and also the PDF. Now this PDF we have ones that shows how to make a game. That one is only one PDF we should put to show you how to design a game. This one just to give you a real life experience. You can get it and practice it. The next one now shows about many questions about PDF. What people have faced, maybe problems have faced while coding, and how to tackle them. This is it. Let me just open one for you here. Okay. Let me just show this. So this is it. Okay, this is the game I'm talking about. This one is a rock, paper, scissors game to create. Let me see check. Okay, let's check this Python programming notes. Let's open it. Okay, so this is it. So this is an example of what I'm talking to you. I'm telling you about. So this one talks more. See, writing first program. So we embedded this PDF so that as you've gone through the tutorials, the tutorials are not necessarily there for you. With the PDF, if you encounter any problem and maybe you don't have the chance to give that tutorial, you can use the PDF and you will see how it is being solved. So, guys, this is the full package I'm telling you about. It's a file, you just get it right on your device. You just install it right there on your device, and you can use it without any problem, without any issue. Right here, with the tutorials, it's subtitled. You can embed your PSC, watch it with subtitles, and the PDF you can read it down. So I'll be so happy if you guys can make it to this kind of we are only going to expire because it's going to. So better get use of the chances now. If you want to and get this folder, and I'm sure I can get this folder. If you are new to Python, you become an advanced. You know how to be able to do some good coding with Python, and how to do small projects with Python. By the time you're done with this our package. So this is the package, guys, and I can't wait to see you with this package. Thanks for watching.
Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.